today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly change the default font in Microsoft Word to better align with your personal style or specific project needs. Making this simple adjustment can greatly enhance your document's appearance and ensure consistency in your future work. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who frequently uses Word, this quick guide will certainly come in handy. Let's dive right into the process. First off, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. You can start a new document or open an existing one. Both are perfectly fine for this process. As you look at your document, you'll notice the toolbar at the top of the screen. This handy bar contains a myriad of options, but for this task, we'll focus on the section that deals specifically with the font. Now direct your attention to the font group within this toolbar. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu, which is where the magic begins. Click on this font drop-down menu. It's typically marked with the current font name, like Calibri or Times New Roman. Clicking on this opens up a list of available fonts. This is where you get to choose your desired typeface from an extensive selection. Once you've selected the font that best suits your needs or preferences, consider the size next. Directly next to the font selection box, there's another drop-down menu for font size. Click here and choose the size that you find visually appealing or appropriate for your document. If you type a lot of documents, finding the right size is important for readability, so take a moment to choose wisely. You've now picked your dream font and its perfect size, but we're not quite done yet. The next step is crucial because it saves these changes as your default for all future documents. To do this, locate and click the Set as Default button. You'll typically find this button beneath the font customization options in your toolbar. A small window will pop up asking if you want to set these changes as the default for the current document only or for all Word documents in the future. Choose the option that fits your needs. For most, setting it for all future documents is advisable. After making your choice, click OK to confirm. And just like that, you're all set. Your chosen font and size are now your default settings in Microsoft Word, ensuring that your documents will have that same consistent look and feel each time you start a new one. So, there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to customize your documents in Word. By following these steps, you're not only streamlining your workflow, but also adding a layer of personalization to every document. Happy writing!